Pivot charts are great, but probably have made you want to pull your hair out. Here is everything you need to know about pivot charts in a nutshell. Pivot charts are best used when you have a large spreadsheet with a lot of data. They allow you to quickly get a visual on patterns and trends, so let's get into it. First off, you need to make sure that the top row of every column has a title. Once complete, highlight all the data that you want to pivot, click the Insert tab, and then the Pivot Chart button, and now it's about to get real. You will notice 4 big squares on the bottom right of your screen. Let's call these squares buckets. Above the buckets, there's a list of every column title from your data. It's up to you to take these titles and drag them into the bucket that you want. The top 2 buckets are optional, the bottom 2 buckets are required. In the value bucket, you're determining how the pivot chart is going to count the data. Most commonly, you're going to put the column showing currency. Next is the axis bucket. Take a hard look at your data and think to yourself, what do I actually want to appear on this chart? What you put in the axis bucket will appear on the chart. At this point, you should have some sort of chart. The filter bucket is pretty self-explanatory. If you only want to see a certain type of data, drag the column that'll distinguish the 2 types there. Lastly, you can think of the legend bucket as sort of an axis bucket backup. Drag a column here that is related to but unique from the column that you put into the axis bucket. This will give you an additional layer of data without disrupting what you have placed into the axis bucket. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and give the video a like. If you have any questions or an idea for a future video, make sure to put it in the comments below. Thanks again.